Welcome to PostGrid combo. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a filterable grid with our PostGrid combo plugin. We have support for both the shortcode and Gutenberg blocks. In this video, I will create a Gutenberg block based filterable grid. However, if you are not using a Gutenberg editor or want to create a shortcode based filterable grid, then check out my video description. We have a separate video for this. Okay, to create a filterable grid, let's create a new page, giving the page a title, and then from the block inserter, select the PostGrid filterable block. Let's say we want a 3-column layout. Okay, now to add a filter, expand this filterable panel and create a group. To add filter items to this group, let's expand, and under the search term we can add filter navigation. If I go to posts and all posts, you can see I have some posts with category assigned. If I go to categories, you can see all the categories here. So my plan is to create a filterable grid based on these categories. Okay, to add animal as a filterable item, let's search for animal and apply. Let's do the same for other 3 categories. Now let's publish and check how it looks. Okay, here is our filter and the functionality is also working, but the filters have 0 styling. So let's give them some style. If I scroll down a little bit, here is an option called filters style. Let's set a background color and text color. And the display should be inline block. And finally give some padding and margin between filters. Okay, so far we have done styling is filterable items. Now let's apply a background color on the active filter to make it obvious. Now update the changes, and you can see it's working on the front end. Now let's see how we can create a multi-filter. To create a multi-filter, first enable the multi-filter option to true and add another group so that we can filter items between groups. If you take a closer look on my posts, you can see some posts that are categorized as snake, they are also in animal category, and some posts that are categorized as tree, they are also in the flower category. So my goal is to create another group filter with snake and tree so that users can easily filter them, like they can filter all snakes from animals. So from the first group, let's remove the snake and tree and assign them on the second group. Now let's update. To check the logic, let's select the animal from the first group and snake from the second group, and as you can see it's working as expected. If I try to toggle the selected filter, it's not working. If you want to add toggle flexibility, then from the filterable settings, set the enable filter toggle option to yes. And now if I try, you can see the toggle feature is also working. That's all for this video. If you have any questions or need help, we suggest you create a support ticket. You can find the link under every blog, and if you are comfortable with our plugin, please rate us on WordPress. Your review is much more beneficial to us. Thank you so much for watching.